What is the real meaning of toilet dreams? Today we are going to know all the possible meanings of these types of dreams. So there are some common types of toilet dreams that people see during sleep. Number 1. If someone sees a toilet in a dream, then it indicates that you need to clean your negative emotions and feelings from your mind and heart, as well as you also need to leave your past in the past as soon as possible. Because you cannot change your past, but due to this you are facing lots of unwanted problems in real life. Now number 2, if someone sees public toilets in a dream, then it indicates that you have very common thoughts and feelings about yourself or about something. But you need to make big goals and positive thoughts about yourself. Only then you will make tremendous progress in real life. Now number 3, if someone sees dirty toilet in a dream, then it gives a kind of warning to change your emotional state of mind and environment to a positive one. As well as you also need to choose positive people around you because these negative things and peoples are hindering your progress in real life. Now number 4, if someone sees a toilet without doors in a dream, then this dream gives a kind of warning not to share your hidden secrets with strangers because they can harm you for their personal gains in waking life. Now number 5, if someone sees an overflowing toilet in a dream, then it indicates that your mind is filled with negative thoughts and feelings. And due to this you are unable to make any kind of progress in real life. So to avoid these problems you should focus on your spiritual life and its growth, because only spiritual life can clear your mind from these negative things quickly. Now number 6, if someone sees poop in the toilet in a dream, then it indicates some kind of mental burden due to any kind of past mistake or guilt for something, which you need to release as soon as possible, because this guilt or mental burden is harming you a lot on the mental and physical level. Now number 7, if someone sees cleaning the toilet in a dream, then this dream is considered very auspicious and indicates that now you are ready to get something big in real life due to disciplined life. But sometimes this dream also indicates to eliminate your negative thoughts and feelings as soon as possible. Only then you will get the desired result in real life. Now number 8, if someone sees a broken toilet in a dream, then it indicates that you have some kind of fear or worries about something that demands your attention to act according to them. So to avoid these problems you should try to face your life challenges boldly, because after that you are going to get something big in real life. Now number 9, if someone sees a clogged toilet in a dream, then it indicates difficulties or obstacles to completing any work, project or planning due to some kind of laziness or stubborn attitude towards life. So to avoid these problems you should try to find out the best solutions of your problems as soon as possible. Now number 10, if someone sees sleeping in the toilet in a dream, then it indicates some kind of fear or worries which you don't want to face in real life, or you have some kind of past guilt or negative thoughts that you need to let go of right now. Only then you will get the desired result in real life. Now number 11, if someone sees toilet paper in a dream, then this dream also gives a kind of warning to change your attitude towards life, because some kind of negative thoughts and feelings are hindering your progress in real life. Now number 12, if someone sees a toilet bowl in a dream, then it indicates that you need to leave all useless and unnecessary things in waking life that are stopping you from getting the desired result in real life. As well as you need to set new goals for yourself to use your skills and knowledge in real life. Now number 13, if someone sees a toilet seat in a dream, then it also indicates to make changes in your thinking pattern. Especially you need to let go past negative experiences memory as soon as possible, because these negative memories hindering your progress in real life. Now number 14, if you are unable to find a toilet in a dream, then it indicates some kind of difficult situation where you will feel quite helpless to find out the solution to your problems in real life. So now this is the right time to take guidance from others to solve your life problems as soon as possible. Now number 15, if you're looking for a toilet in a dream, then it has two possible meanings. One is either your body wants to release body waste, that's why you see such a dream. Or the second one is you are looking for some kind of solution of your problem which have been bothering you for a long time. Now number 16, if someone sees flushing a toilet in a dream, then it indicates that now you are going to enter a new phase of life, because now you are completely ready to change your habits, behaviors and personality according to your wish after letting go of all negativity and negative things. Now number 17. If someone sees vomiting in a toilet in a dream, then this dream is considered very auspicious and indicates good luck and freedom from all kind of negativity. And now you are ready to achieve something big in real life. Now number 18. If someone sees falling into the toilet in a dream, then this dream gives a kind of warning to eliminate your fears and worries about something, as well as feeling of guilt or shame as soon as possible, because all these things are creating a lot of problems in your life. So to avoid these things, you need to focus on the present moment with future plans. Now number 19. If someone sees a small toilet in a dream, then it indicates that you need to make small changes in waking life to get the desired result in real life. Now number 20. If someone sees a giant toilet in a dream, then it indicates that you need to make some big changes in your lifestyle, because you need to adopt a positive attitude towards life before getting the desired result in real life. Now number 21. If someone sees using a toilet in front of others in a dream, then it indicates to set your boundaries to have peace and satisfaction in real life, because your openness can create some kind of troubles for yourself in real life. Now number 22. If someone sees urinating in the toilet in a dream, then this dream is also considered very auspicious, because in the upcoming days you are going to face lots of positive changes after releasing your negative thoughts and feelings. Now number 23. If someone sees waiting for the toilet in a dream, then it indicates that you need to take immediate bold actions to achieve the desired result in real life, because sometimes we need to create space for ourselves rather than waiting for something. Now number 24. If someone sees using the toilet in a dream, then this dream is considered very auspicious and indicates a new beginning for something that will give you tremendous success in the coming future.